And welcome back to another video. And in this video, guys, what's up YouTube, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, guys, I will be showing you how to use a color balance. So we will be using a color balance so that we can achieve like a depth of the specific of our footage or of our video. So using like a color balance, we'll be doing a lot of manipulation to make sure our image or our clip look exactly as we want it to be. So color balance will include things like temperature, a lot of things for that specific time. So color balance refer to the color channels in an image or a video to achieve a natural or a desired color tone. This means making sure that the color in the image or the video are accurate and not skewed towards a particular color cast. That means we cannot make our image a little bit red or super yellow. So color balance is often achieved by adjusting the levels of red, green and blue channels either manually or using an automatic tool. So it will depend what you will be using. By doing so, color balance ensure that the colors in an image or a video are true to life or match the desired artistic style. So as I already mentioned, like the kind of an artistic that I'm currently going for is a very different one. So let's go to our color balance. So we move downwards. That's where we'll find our color balance. You go to all color effects, then that's where you'll find your color balance. Just click to it. So as we already mentioned, this is our color balance and these are the things that we'll be adjusting. But before we do anything, I'll advise you to take your color balance and put it down there, downwards. Then that's when like we will start manipulating our video. So let's deal with the first video. So the first video, let's deal with the first point, which is a shadow. So I took this video afternoon towards 3 p.m. so there was no sun, it was a very clear sky, so there's not much. So let me try to work around it. So we'll start with yellow. So the moment I move it to this side, okay, so the moment I move it this side, I'm making my image to be more yellow. When I'm moving this side, I'm making it to be too blue. So that is straightforward and applies on other sides. So this here, obviously we will be moving a little bit. Let's move a little bit to the blue side. So the reason like I'm moving to the blue side is that there's too much yellow already happening on our video, so we gotta move it a little bit to the blue side just to try and minimize that blue that yellow color which is too much on our image. That's why we are moving it a little bit to the blue side. So sometimes you gotta click here just to see like the different parts of the video, how they look. See, for me, I see nothing wrong. Then we can also click here maybe to see a different picture. So nothing's wrong with me. So to the green side, we also gonna move a little bit to the greener side. Okay, the image gets a little bit green. That means I need to decrease it just a little bit, just a little bit. Downloading, then perfect. Now it's downloading, loading, But that looks great, but I feel like I still have to give it a little bit of a more yellowish green color. Okay, that look perfect to me. Okay, let's go to this side. Then now for here, I will have to move to that side a little bit. Okay, let's move big time, because the aim is to make sure that you can see the difference, you know. Okay, let's move that side. So we gotta move, we don't want our leaf to be super red, so we gotta move an opposite side a little bit to the opposite side. But at the same time, we have a little bit of red things, and we need to make those red things pop. So let's move our shadow a little bit that side, because we still have highlights which we will be dealing with. So I think that I believe we are done with our shadows. Let's go back to our mid tones. So the midtones is one of the most important things that we have to do. So we are gonna take this and move it back to that side a little bit. Then we take this one, we also move it that side a little bit, and then we take this one, move it, because like the reason I'm moving it to a little bit to the side of the red is just to make those small things to try to pop out and bring them back to life. Okay, now I believe it's done loading. Okay, it still looks great. Then we can go to our highlights. So our highlights, if this was a graph, we can say we're focusing on this side. So we're focusing on this side. This is what we call our highlights. So let's try to focus on our highlight, which means we are focusing here. This is what we call our highlights, and a little bit of our flower. You can see like all the bright things become a little bit bluish, so we gotta move it a little bit backwards, because like as I already mentioned, like the highlights will focusing to the bright colors. Bring back a little bit. Okay, let's make our green to pop again a little bit. I want color green to pop out a little bit. Then we move backwards from red. Then let's wait for it.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
So one thing that we can say like our flower is no longer white, because I can notice from here it was super white. It was very white. Now it is not white no more. So what we need to do,
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Famous, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign. A sign.
okay, let's directly go again to our natural.
I feel like I'm
So you
losing
can see
my
this one is
mind.
more brown and this one is more
Everybody in
yellowish,
the world
which is not a very bad thing.
Please,
It's
Lord,
exactly
give
what
me
I
a
want.
sign.
So
A sign.
I believe
There's
for
no
the
mercy
correct
in this
color
world just
balance,
hunger
this is
thirsty
one
persons
thing that you
in
need to
different
master.
versions. Each new
And on
update
your
that
color
shit
balance,
worsens.
you
Why?
need to
Pull
take
back
your
the
time.
curtain and you'll see
You
the
see, like,
different
we
vermin.
added a lot
We
of
all have different
shadow,
burdens
like,
that all seem to
great.
cause disturbance.
And then
Yo,
you
do me a
take
favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
Downwards, just to see that
I feel like I'm losing my mind.
downwards.
Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind?
Our image is
Please,
super
Lord,
yellow.
give me a
Super yellow. Then all the leaves
That's
look
it,
great.
the end of the song.
So I just
Next
use
time
color
to sing
just need
along.
see, like, how
Trust
my
me, there's
imagery
nothing
looks
wrong.
like.
I just need to
Here
carry
you
on,
can
cause
see that,
society's a
here,
myth.
bit of a
Put
yellow.
there to make you
Here
sit.
is yellow.
Listen to what they give.
This
Don't
guy
ask
is
questions,
similar
shut
to
your
this.
lid.
So
Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your
can then
lid.
hold it.
I need
So,
to run
guys,
away from this
this
and
is
go
just a
get off the
final,
grid. Feel like my brain
how
is
you
overloaded,
feel
man, I'm
with,
losing
color
it.
balance.
Don't let them tell you what to do, man,
on
they
the
don't
next
know shit.
episode, we will be focusing on the saturation. The saturation is simply like trying to boost our colors and give the colors, put the colors into life. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you on the next episode.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, some losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in